How to remove image background with Canva. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from your photo so that you can use your photo in any creation that you want. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm going to choose a photo of myself and I'm just going to make it a bit bigger, right? Then you can click on the photo and you're going to click on edit photo and you'll see in effects it has the background remover. Now just note that the pro version has all of these effects and filters. The free version doesn't have everything, so go check it out. We will link a link below so you can go check out the pro version. But anyway, so you're gonna click on the background remover and look how cool this is. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, now the cool thing is we can go to the background remover itself and you can erase parts that you want not show. So if I want to remove part of the table or the whole table, I can remove that, and you can even go and make it very small and and remove whatever you want. Okay, or if you want to restore, you can actually bring back the whole table or whatever you want to restore. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, but we want to reset everything and we would just want the background again. Okay, so now you can add this to a little video background elements. Let's type in background and let's take a video, a nice video background, and we're going to click on it and say layer, send backwards, and this is perfect if you want to make a little video or whatever you want. Okay, and you can even add text to put in a heading, huge sale. Okay, cool guys, that is how you remove the photo backgrounds with Canva. I hope this was a big help. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.